Peter Valente, President of Valente Development Corporation, and I'd love for you to view this construction update about our Peche Island Shores development. As you can see, construction is well underway with this very exciting 21-unit luxury townhouse development in an incredible location, located right off of Riverside Drive. You're literally steps to the marinas, the Ganatchio Trail, and the Yacht Club, and all the wonderful amenities that Riverside has to offer. I'm excited to announce we've already sold 7 units. However, we still have 13 units remaining that you can purchase and live in this incredible location where you can enjoy maintenance-free living in all the very best that Riverside has to offer. If you're looking for more information on the villas of Peche Island Shore, I invite you to call our sales representative, Kevin DeLuca of Rama Valente Real Estate 1990 Limited at 519-966-7777, and he will be sure to get you all the information that you're looking for, and he can also take you through a beautifully finished townhouse model so that you can see exactly what you're going to be getting in this incredible development.